bathroom. Yeah, sure.
Cheese.
Let's eat cheese. Then we can drink everything. That sounds so efficient. It has like quite a bit of protein in it because it's, you know what
I
quark
love
is?
that protein.
You know what quark is?
Mm-hmm.
It's with a,
Super.
it's like
Really
thick
yogurt.
but
Yeah. Fuck.
you almost bit my finger off.
So now I'm curious if that works.
I guess it doesn't. I'm sure it doesn't. I have to hit harder.
Yeah, that will go in warranty. Yeah, it just broke.
Look at that!
Did it actually work?
Yeah, it does.
Okay.
You still need to get it replaced, but for the time being,
Yeah.
yeah,
Oh, yes.
seems to make sense. It's just the gear that's not perfectly aligned. That's all.
It does. Install this.